Hey guys, welcome again to another Qpython 3 tutorial. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how we can actually install modules with an easier method using QPYPI, that's in the QPYPI. Now in case you didn't notice, we installed the Qpython 3, the Qpython and also the Qpython 36. We're going to be using the Qpython for Android, so let's open that up and let's head on to where we're here for today. Okay, just widen please so I can get back to my damn tutorial. Okay, this is really starting to freak me out. Sorry for that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's head on to the a QPYPI. Okay, this is a place where you can install modules using Qpython. As you can see, you can actually download this stuff and install it. This is a library where you can actually download the Qpython modules. These are ported for Qpython, so they work mainly for Qpython. This version of QPYPI is not supported yet, so this feature will not be available until further notice. Let's head back to the terminal, and to get a list of modules in Python, let's say you are wanting to create a new project and there are modules in Python that you may have not heard of before or you may not have known before. There is actually a way you can also get all the list of modules here on Qpython. So all you have to do is just type in the help, open the parentheses and type in modules. So it's like saying you want to print out something, but instead of using the print you use help. So let's just type in that. Okay, since we have that type, let's just click on enter. It's going to tell you that it's waiting for a moment to gather the list of available modules. Now it's going to print out a list of modules for you. Now these are all the available modules here on Qpython. There are a long list of modules, so please take your time to study each of them. Now I can see TK here, but I'm not sure if that's a module that works fine here. So let me test it out and see if it works. Let's just head onto this line and say import tk-intar. Let's save our code and let's run. If it works fine, no module named tk-intar. This is a module used for building Python GUI apps. That's used for building Windows. And in case you don't know, it's really nice, so you guys should also check that out. But I don't think it's gonna work here on Qpython. So please do check out modules here on QPYPI and let me know if there's any question you have, and I'll get back to you in the next tutorial. So now let's check on this more and let's see. Now this is a way to actually switch to Qpython 3 here. This other stuff is what you have to work out in your own. And scripting layer for Android, I'll be talking to you guys about this in our future tutorials, but for now, let's pay attention to this part. Now we want to be switching on to Qpython 3. I already have mine ticked. So I'm using Python 3 now. So all you have to do now is just click on this, and if you have those other two apps installed, it's going to redirect you to those apps and then you can install them from there. That'll be all for this video, guys. Please leave the like button there, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.